Good morning. I'd like to share with you today a trick you probably didn't know. Here's my shredder. It sounds sort of okay-ish, but if you actually read the instructions, did you know you're supposed to put oil in them? It's a specific oil, but I use Spry Crisp and Dry. What's this? No, I'm not joking. Already you hear it's going much better. It's because, like anything moving, if it rubs together it wears out. Give it a bit of oil for lubrication, does wonders. This actual shredder I got in November 2017. I used to be lucky if they'd last me 6 months because I didn't know you should oil one. I read the instructions and found you're supposed to use this specific oil, but I didn't have any at the time and my shredder was feeling a bit rough, so went down and grabbed what I had. As I say, Spry Crisp and Dry seems to work fine for my shredder. As usual, if you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee, and thank you for watching.